Hello everybody, I hope you are having a great day. Today I've got a very exciting package to share with you guys. I bought 12 tarot decks from Aliexpress. I know it sounds crazy. I feel sorry about that they are fake, but I knew what I was gonna get, so it's okay for me. In my country, we don't have that much variety. There are only a few decks. There is no way to get these decks in my country. If I bought the original ones from Amazon, I couldn't pay the customs tax and shipping fee. There isn't any damaged deck, I think. It is very nice that they have packaged the cards with such care. By the way, all the decks had the same price, which is $5. Very affordable. And I apologize to the authors, publishers, designers and editors. I couldn't pay for their effort. Modern Witch Tarot deck. I'm very curious about this one. Colors are vibrant. Love it. Let's see. Back of the cards are important to me, and this one has a nice blue print on it. Very nice. And Santa Muerte. Actually, design of this deck is not my style, but I couldn't resist the theme and the culture it represents. On top of that, the design of the back is admirable. Animal totem. I'm in love with animals. I think when you feel close to the theme of the deck, your readings become more sincere. I can't wait to read the guidebook. As you can see, the picture of the back is not centered. Look at these flowers. I have all the information about the original ones, so I can compare them easily with original ones. Golden Wheel. When I first saw this deck, I like it. But afterwards, it wasn't that much impressive. Although I decided to buy it. Preraphelite. I hope I am pronouncing it correctly. This deck represents the art of the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood. Pictures look like real art, and the texture is so alive. Love it. It shuffles nicely. It is quite papery. When it comes to fake decks, everybody talks about the feeling of the surface or thickness. Guys, absolutely, it's my opinion, but I wanna say that these are just tarot cards, not playing cards. I think it is meaningless to say it is plasticky or papery, thin or thick. Absolutely my opinion, guys. The only thing that matters is the connection between you and the cards. Everyday Witch Tarot Deck. I absolutely adore this back of the card. Super cute and energetic. This is a very popular deck and I feel great to have it. Look at them. Super cute and energetic. This is my favorite card by the way. Let's move on with this one. Mystic Mondays. Yes. This is absolutely not my style. But guys, look at them. There is something hypnotizing about this deck. So simple, but it's very intense. Beautiful colors. Romantic Tarot. I hate roses, but this one is so pretty and cool. I love that the cards are pastel colored. The slim and long look of the cards looks very stylish, by the way. Look at this man. Sexual magic. I have no idea how I'm gonna read this deck, but I will figure it out. The energy of this deck is so tense and warm. Wheel of the Year. The best thing about this one is the body languages of the characters. I love how bright it is. Love it. Victorian Fairy Tarot. Guys, I am very impressed by the flowers and wings. Very soft vibe. Every detail integrates with each other. Beautiful. And the last one, Tarot Mucha. The frame of the cards is gorgeous. How beautiful is this? Very warm colors. And the corners, they are kind of rounded but still sharp. Very stylish though. By the way, as you can see, we don't have any guidebook. Oh. It is hard to... yeah, there we go. Yes, the guidebook. We don't have any guidebook, but there is a QR code. Yes, there is a QR code at the bottom of each box. Actually, some of them on the back. I don't know if it works, but I will check out these codes later. That's all, guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments. Would you buy one of these decks? Which one is your favorite? Thank you so much for watching. See you in next videos. Bye bye.